ASHLYN. So if there is one thing that I love the most is inviting others into our home, and you have watched this past year how I've tried to simplify and show you ways in doing so, and sometimes that can be really overwhelming. 6 of us for dinner tonight. I'm really excited to share with you guys that another way I've discovered making hosting simple. And so today I've partnered with Home Chef, and what it is an online meal service where you can go online, choose your menu in advance. So I last week went online and I knew we were hosting guests for dinner, and so I chose this chicken Kiev dish with this parsley, garlic butter, and green beans. I ordered it. It arrived on my door this week, and it really took out all the stress and pressure of planning a good meal, which can be really overwhelming sometimes when you have guests over. So not only is it great for weekly meal planning, Home Chef is also super great for when you're hosting guests for dinner, because they still get a home cooked meal, but I don't have to stress about if the dish will be good. I don't have to go to the grocery store, and I can spend more time during the day with my kids and then create a beautiful tablescape for my guests. And everything that I have made from Home Chef has been delicious. The recipes are amazing. So I'm gonna show you today how I whip that up together. We're gonna put together our chicken dish, and I'm gonna set the table for a lovely winter tablescape as we move into this new season. Home Chef for sponsoring tonight's meal. I will leave a coupon code and a link below if you want to try Home Chef for your family or hosting guests yourself. This is our last video of 2018. I wish you guys a very happy new year and more entertaining and hosting and fun things.